Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor from Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Palliative Performance Scale. What is a Palliative Performance Scale, or better known as a PPS? A PPS is used to evaluate and measure the functional status of patients with advanced illnesses such as heart failure and cancer. The PPS helps guide clinical decision making and can assist in determining the appropriate level of care and support required for the patient. The PPS is scored on a scale from 0 to 100, with 100 representing a healthy individual, where 0 represents the patient's death. The scale is divided into 11 levels, each describing a particular level of functioning in terms of ambulation, activity level, self-care, intake of food and fluids, and level of consciousness. The primary goal of the PPS is to provide a reliable and objective assessment of a patient's functional decline as they progress through advanced stages of illness. The scale allows assessments for a greater quality of life and for more comfortable living in the now. It can be used by doctors, hospice workers, nurses, and many more. Here's how to use the PPS effectively. The first step is to fill in the name and date, as well as read the instructions. You'll then need to refer to the table when conducting the assessment. The third step is to add notes to then complete the examination. To view a sample assessment of the PPS, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can access and download it for free. You can also access it via our platform, filter by community and by assessment. You can also type in keywords to find the note faster and edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.